Hey guys, Metal Mechanic here.
We got a new crash.
Now for this job, see this fender? See the damage? Let's take a look at the estimate. Okay, so we're replacing the bumper. OEM, lucky me. And then air deflector, whatever, grill aftermarket. It's gonna fit awesome on that thing. Alright, so the fender. Replace fender, Tahoe. 2.6. That's all I'm getting for the fender. Let's look at the... That's for dual battery. There's a lot of wires to unplug and stuff like that. So I get paid 2.9 to take the fender off and replace it. But if I repair this, I make more money. I make way more money. If I repair this dent right here, this bigger dent right there. We wouldn't need to blend if I repair this fender, but we are blending because we're replacing that fender. And yeah, I would love to repair this fender, but we can't always get what we want. Let's look at the insurer, for instance. Erie Group. If you thought Geico and Progressive were bad, you haven't seen enough yet. This company will have you wait for a used door that's coming from across the country because it's $50 cheaper, while at the same time they're paying for the customer's rental. So they'll end up paying over $300 to $400 extra in rental instead of having us get the door or part, whatever the part is, from a local source for $100 more. So they would rather save the $50 and spend $300 to $400 extra for the rental. That's Erie for you. Now, me personally, I would like to repair that fender, but I can't just repair the fender. We have to go through some different things. First, the insurance company. Are they gonna pay us to repair it? Are they gonna pay me the right amount of hours that I need to fix this fender? Because I don't work for free. If I do, I would be the only one in the whole process that is not getting paid for the repair. Between insurance adjusters, the manager, the shop, the cleaning crew, everyone is gonna get paid. Except me, if I fix something quickly. I do fix some free stuff sometimes, but that's just me because I don't like to see, big flaws when I'm done. But if they don't pay me to do the job correctly, they're not gonna do it, or ask them to do the right thing.